In the last video, we saw how important the amino acids are in making poultry feeds, for poultry basically. But I mean, most of us don't know what amino acids are. Even I myself didn't know what amino acids are, what exactly amino acids do in the body, till I started looking up the therapies on amino acid therapies for addiction. Now, amino acids are the basis of life on this planet. And we talk of proteins as the building blocks of life. But proteins are nothing but chains of amino acid linked together. So proteins cannot be formed without amino acids. Amino acids are basically similar to carbohydrate sugar molecules with nitrogen in it. Amines which are NH2 molecules which are added to the rest. So that's what amino acids are. And all the proteins in our body, there are 50,000 different proteins in our body, all made of these amino acids which are found in nature. Basically there are 20 amino acids found in nature, out of which 9 are essential for the body. Essential means, they cannot be manufactured by the body in sufficient amounts, and they are essential for our health. If these amino acids are not there in the body, our health suffers. So this is what we have not been taught in school. You see, all the bones, all the organs, almost all hormones in the body are just a combination of amino acids they are formed with the help of vitamins and minerals. So if any of these amino acids are not there, the proteins in the body which require these amino acids cannot function properly. Now the most important for us is that all the neurotransmitters and neuromodulators, that means the transmission of nerves, the molecules which transmit message from one nerve cell to the other, these are known as neurotransmitters. Mostly all of them, excepting one or two, are made from amino acids or amino acids themselves. Like for instance, the amino acid, the neurotransmitter dopamine is made from tyrosine. Adrenaline is made from tyrosine. Serotonin, which is important for calming emotions, to avoid depression, to help us to sleep at night, that is made from the amino acid tryptophan. GABA, which calms racing thoughts, itself is an amino acid. It can be made in the brain from glutamine also. So basically these amino acids are very important. If any one of them is not important, the health suffers. And this, unfortunately, this is what we are not being taught in school. So if any amino acid is missing, is deficient in our body, we develop symptoms of whatever deficiency symptoms. Like we are told in school about what is the deficiency of this vitamin or that vitamin, but the most important parts of our body is the proteins. 50% of the organic matter in the body is proteins. 75% of the dry weight of each cell in the body is nothing but proteins. And these proteins do all the work in the body, making energy, making repair tissues and everything. So if any of them are not there, any of the amino acids are not there, the proteins cannot be manufactured and health suffers. So I was saying that education has always been perverted. This is the main thing, and our greatest fear is that we have a fear of losing our health and well-being. If you knew what the deficiency symptoms of these amino acids are, you just, whenever you these deficiencies come up, just take that particular amino acid and you'll be alright. For instance, here, I mean, one of the, I talked about tyrosine. Now here I've taken this physiology textbook. See this tyrosine, these three amino acids, I mean these three neurotransmitters, dopamine, norepinephrine and epinephrine. Epinephrine is adrenaline. They are called catecholamines, and these catecholamines are formed from the amino acid tyrosine. Okay? So now if this tyrosine is not there, these neurotransmitters will not be able to be formed. And here what it says, these neurotransmitters, it says, play essential roles in states of consciousness, mood, motivation, directed attention, movement, blood pressure regulations and hormone release. So if tyrosine is not there, all these problems we start having in all these areas. Our moods will suffer, motivation will lack, we'll lose pep, we'll develop attention problems. So when you start getting these symptoms, you can just take the amino acids. So I mean, this all needs to be taught in school, but they are not teaching us. So I mean, this is how we lose our health. So now what happened is, with me, I learned about this little bit, and I wanted to try it, but I didn't want to try it on the addicts I was helping, because I mean it's risky on somebody else. I don't mind risking my health and all that. So I stopped smoking for 2 years that time. So I said, let's start smoking. And I smoke like a chimney. I have 4 or 5 packets every day whenever I smoke. But I started smoking for 2-3 months. I ordered, my friend was coming from USA. I got these tyrosine and tryptophan at that time was not available, so they suggested 5-HTP, so that I got glutamine. And after 2 months of smoking heavily, I started taking these things, and along with certain other nutrients, because for smoking you require other nutrients also. So, and within 1 month, all that craving just left. See, I mean, when you give up smoking, and the first week, it's like horrible. I mean, you just feel like smoking all the time, and just pick up one pack. And once you pick up one cigarette, you're smoking again and again. I mean, you can't stop. So, what happened is, after 1 month, I mean, the cravings just left, and I could just stop smoking. And now I was sure that amino acids work for myself. So, and I had a little bit extra this thing, so I continued taking them for some time. And then I told you I got 2-3 books. On reading those books, I realized that, I mean, taking tyrosine peps you up. So I mean, my main problem is I was an athlete in school, but I mean, it used to be I used to feel so lazy to even go out do my aerobics or go to the beach or promenade to walk. So I started taking this tyrosine. And wow, I mean, I was going every day for the exercise, and I mean, aerobics on the promenade. I dance on the promenade from one end to the other, just sweat it out. And I lost my weight. See, I was at that time 84 kilos. And I came down to 78. I mean, my normal weight at that time, that book says, was between 68 kilos and 72 kilos. But it was not, my weight was not, it has got stuck on 78 kilos. Because see, I mean, I love eating sweets, you know. I mean, I hog ice creams and cakes, and how do I cut that? I mean, I knew I had to cut it, but I mean, that craving comes and I just don't. I mean, I just used to give it. I mean, so I knew there was this amino acid that I was talking about, tyrosine. Tyrosine helps, tryptophan. Tryptophan cuts down I'll continue in the next sharing. Now it's 10